Here, Zoe. Zoe. Sit. Huh? What do you think? Yeah. Okay. Off to Canada we go. What are we doing today, Bubbles?
Going to Canada.
Oh boy.
Road trip!
Made it 15 minutes from home. First stop, breakfast. Got me some chalky milk. I don't know who's on there, Robbie Zombie or somebody. What'd you get, Bubbles?
Pizza. Breakfast pizza.
Cardboard in a box?
Just about. Yeah. Sadly. Pizza!
On delay. We're in Detroit. Lovely place to live. Nice clean area. Getting ready to get across the Canadian border.
In a quarter mile, continue straight on Ontario 3.
I think they already.
That over there is Canada. This over here is Detroit.
Look at that. The Canada side's dirtier and the US side is top. It is, look! One side's brown, one side's
Continue on
blue.
Ontario 3 for 4 miles.
They dyed it for St. Patrick's Day.
Welcome to Canada, eh?
Look, Canada's getting ready to build a wall. So, dude,
They are too.
that's the materials to build the wall.
Oh, they're not building a wall.
They are. That's part of Trump administration. They're easing the tariffs because Canada's building the wall.
That ain't the wall.
Yes, it is.
Is that guy over there starting?
Tariff. Give it a minute. There's another one coming. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, yep, there he is. Oh, that's no tariff. What was that about?
What's that mean?
I don't know. Should I get over? I'll follow
Tariff.
him. He said, come this way. And I say, okay.
Tariff.
That was what they were saying.
Tariff. Tariff.
Post that video.
Why not?
I don't know if we're welcome.
I'm not sure we can see it in the camera. They're putting in pipe. Oh, I got the New Holland.
Stringing.
Yeah.
Look how close those tiles are.
Those 30s.
F that.
Connection. You don't need any time to drive to the next one.
No. Oh. They got great there, don't they?
Yep. That's the one we're seeing tiled.
Yep.
Well, Canada does not look a whole lot different from Indiana.
Except they're not nice.
We found the local hardware store. We found the farm drainage section. Wow. $22 for 12 feet of pipe. We should move to Canada and put in pipe.
We should. It's high quality stuff right here. Oh yeah. Oh, that's satisfying.
Look, they charge $12 for a 3-inch TV. Is this thing on?
How'd you sleep, Aiden?
Terrible.
Why is that?
Phone kept ringing.
The phone was ringing?
Yeah.
Was it a real phone or just a phone in your head?
No, it was a real phone.
Oh.
Neighbor next door.
FBI, open up!
That's a bummer.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are we at, Aiden?
Braun.
What are we doing?
Touring the factory.
What do they make here?
Tile piles.
Tile plows?
Yep. Braun tractor.
Do you think that's the tile plow they make?
I don't think so.
Do you build 4 at a time, or how does that work?
We got three bays we built that.
Okay.
We put all the bidding, all the extra stuff on there. We do sort of a few things just because how busy we are.
Big gear motor.
The cowling and stuff.
Going in at 585. What do you think?
A little smaller, but all
Pretty
the main
cool.
frames, track frames, all that stuff. We got
Big motor.
the plow, the critical stuff we try to make in next year.
Sure. And this is how it all lays out. So that's
You'll see it better now.
Yeah.
The depth comes to the side here. We are just getting everything kind of ready, pre-assembling it, so when the frame hits, it's just gonna go. Sure. We got a couple plows coming along fairly well here.
Yep.
It's nicer when we don't have all the big stuff in that you can see into the frame, but we'll see what we have.
How many are you doing the deer motor versus the cat motor?
Right now, every single one on order is deer.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the reason?
So the big thing is cat support in some areas has definitely dropped off compared to what they've been,
Okay.
and those engines don't like the cold.
Okay.
So you need a cold engine assist to actually start
Yeah,
it.
which they were stuffing in here, right?
Yeah. So that's standard. So it's like a $21,000 premium for our stuff now.
Yeah.
So most guys are going to deer because of that.
Sure. And like we have really good deer support,
Yeah.
and cat may not want. I mean, we have a decent cat dealer, but deer would be a lot easier to get out there.
Yeah.
Like we would have better deer support than cat support.
Absolutely. No, deer's been a good engine for us. We're getting a lot of good feedback. Fire's right off, the works good. It's got the highest torque per out of all three engines. We used to offer Cummins, we no longer do. So no, the John Deere's been good. We get a lot of good feedback.
And then I see the emission stuff is deer too. So if you get a deer,
I believe it all comes together.
so it all comes as one unit.
It's
so
all one
deer
package.
will recognize anything as far as the emission side.
Exactly.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, and they have quick response. Every time we have needed them, they're generally within a day or two.
Sure.
Before they get out there.
Sure.
We got any egg dealer, construction, John Deere, anyone can work on this engine.
Yep, that's right, and that's what I've asked already. Was the construction side can work because that's the same motor that I believe comes in like their X9 combine or something like that.
Yeah.
They're building 3 different bronze. One's over in that bay. It's just the frame and hydraulics. And then this one's got the engine and some hydraulics in it, fuel tank. In this bay. And then in this bay, they got the cab and the tracks all put in.
It's neat to see those.
Looks pretty cool. Got the DPF system put on, as well as the reel. They're assembling the DL850. Found the mulcher.
Yeah. There's a mulcher motor.
Yeah. Yeah, big old Cummins. What'd you say?
So why do they get the Cummins and we get the deer?
Yeah, I don't know.
Big motor though.
Yeah,
it's not mad.
It's a big machine. The head is like, I don't know, I would say 40,000 pounds.
That thing is sweet though.
Yeah, it is.
This one's a little easier to get pictures and stuff. No one around this machine.
Yeah.
Take a couple pictures.
Do I get in there? Yeah, go ahead. Just be warned though, you're gonna want to drive home. It feels like almost like a bathroom in there too. With the joystick, you know? Yeah, it's comfy.
And this is probably as much or more.
Cost-wise, I'm not 100% sure, but no, Grand Plow is our highest ticket.
This can't be terribly far.
No, neither is utility.
I mean, in all reality.
So your Grand Plow, you're what, 900?
Yeah,
900, 900 change.
Yep.
The utility, you're about 550 to 600 depending on option.
Sure.
This machine, you're probably in the 600 to 700 grand. I don't sell as much.
The bronze thing.
So we ran these 2 Tiger cuts for the 2 machines we had for the. So we actually did a lot with just the one, and then the second one. That was probably 5 years ago. It's not a little bit longer. And then we just added
Like the machine shop.
processor there a couple of years ago. Try and keep up with demand. Now we've got 2 cables.
This is their refurbishing booth. They basically take an old brawn plow and take it in and refurbish it. If that makes any sense. No. Take anything that needs out of it, redo it, put it back in it, make it like a brand new plow. It's a big CNC table. He says 8.5 inches?
Yeah.
That's how thick it'll cut? Wow, that's crazy. This is where it all starts, the plow frame.
So Gary's probably working on that next mainframe now, so I still don't have one set up.
Painting cylinders and everything
Yep,
else.
those looks like 850 plow cylinders. Yep. Which is rare, because we usually paint them on the plow. But I think that customer paid a premium to paint the cylinder shirt and color the plow. A little bit of a pre-painting nightmare, but it costs us extra labor, but
Yep. A black cab.
then they're doing yellow top and mustard.
Okay.
We got tips,
You got the more forward, you got the knockers there.
bunch of parts.
Everything's all along down there. Backwards there, everything's fine. Except for your hardware consumables and all that.
Thirsty?
Impressive.
It's a lot bigger shop than what it looks like from the outside.
Yeah.
Rough day.